I'm Dr. Neetu PS. I'm coming from Bangalore. I work in Christ University, Bangalore. And I was doing NPTL it started from 2008. 2008, I started my career. I am in teaching for the past 18 years. So I was also doing all the courses. It started from when earlier I worked in Chennai. So the college which I was working, there all the NPTEL courses, they will encourage and motivate us to do that. So I started taking NPTEL courses from that time itself. When I started, it was with just one courses in a semester. Now it is like 3 to 4 courses. So I completed a domain certification in artificial intelligence. Now I am already doing domain certification for the faculty advanced courses. That's what earlier we felt like, because as an academic person, we have a lot of works to do. So with that, taking an NPTEL was very difficult. So we have a group of faculties. We all will decide which course we have to take. Then we will be in one WhatsApp group. Then we will start working on the assignments. So we won't miss any of the assignments, because any one of them will inform that assignment deadline is there. Then if we face any difficulty with some of the questions, then we will all sit together and work. And before the exams and all, we all will, because we all are from different places. So we all will come in Google Meet. We will discuss about each week courses. Then like that we started studying. So it was like, now also I have the same group of people who are all has done with even domain certification. So it's like now every year I'm coming and getting this NPTEL start. So I feel very proud of being an NPTEL learner. Even in our Christ University also, we have a local chapter. So every students in their each semester, we will give us like a certification course. If they have that particular subject in their semester, they need to go with the NPTEL course. And there are like one faculty coordinator for monitoring all that. So all the students will learn that. But being a student, they will felt difficult in going with all the assignments and writing the exams. But if you have a group of students, you will do this group discussions and like a group study. Definitely, you can achieve that. First, the start itself you will feel difficult, but later when you go, it will be like a motivation, and you don't want anyone to push from the back to go and choose the subjects. You will start choosing it from your own. Okay. No. Anyway, I encourage all of my students to do the NPTEL courses. So they also started doing that. So I feel like it's proud moment for all the NPTEL learners. Thank you for all the IITs and ISCs to be the part of this NPTEL. Thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Dr. A. Vimla Stavino from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Kottangalathur. I'm from yeah, Mechatronics Engineering Department, Assistant Professor, working here for the past 5 years in SRM. And I have completed nearly 30 courses in NPTEL. And in that, I have got two domain expert. One is in data science, and then this time I have got a domain expert in robotics. And I feel very interesting to learn this course, and also new things are I'm getting, especially when I write exams. I feel the satisfaction, so just for that satisfaction I'm doing more and more exams, and I'll continue doing this. Yes, behind maybe the exam pattern. Once I write the exam, I feel so much satisfied that I have learned something. And because the questions are like that. A few questions are so easy, and the other questions are make me to think a lot. So it's like a brainstorming for me. So I feel so refreshing, and learning always gives refreshment, so I'm enjoying it. Yes, yes, especially actually machine Python. Actually, I'm from non CSC background, so I wish to learn more in coding. So I did C language as well, and Python, basic programming, and joy of computing Python, and scientific calculation using Python, machine learning, so those things. So all these count nearly 30. And also robotics. I love robotics, especially Ashish Datta. So he's my favorite teacher. So he only initiated the thirst of knowledge in robotics. Especially, he took fundamentals of robotics. Then he took robot path planning, advanced robotics. So all those my favorites. So I really uh, because I learned more in robotics. I learned more. Yes, and also it gives me how to teach also, how to teach more insights and the questions, everything. It's a learning every time. It's a learning for me. I would always say it's like ISA certified company. Like, so suppose if you want to learn more, better do NPTEL, and you have to convert that to a research, because I did not do so far. But if you convert that to a research, then it will be really helpful for everyone, for especially academicians. And I would suggest the students also to have more depth of learning in this, in all the subjects.
This is Dr. Vinod Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, RMK Engineering College. So I completed so far nearly more than 15 courses. So this time I received two awards. So one is Discipline Star Award, and then as well as Motivators Award. Other than that, we are motivating the more students to register for NPTEL. Our management supporting the students in all the domains in various sectors. So if our students completed any NPTEL courses, it may convert it into credit transfer, and as well as management is encouraging the students in terms of what courses they are completing. They are giving some vouchers for the students for encouraging of more NPTEL courses. We are initiating the students to do all the NPTEL courses. So I thank the NPTEL to do such a wonderful event. So a tremendous strength are arrived today, but even though without a flaw, they are conducting this event. So same thing we are continuing, expecting from the NPTEL to continue the further process. Thank you. So because I'm taking care of some PLM other COE courses, if it is every 6 months the technologies are changing that, so NPTELs are giving more recent trend and advanced technologies. So that makes the encouragement to the students to do some new initiative courses to update their knowledge in technical skills and as well as in current mark with respect to the industry market. So, yes. Yeah, it's a very excitement. So it is the first time I'm taking care of those things. But in future, I initiated my students to register more NPTEL courses. I hope that next years, along with my students, I will come and participate this event. So once again, thanks to NPTEL team for the wonderful action. So nothing, it's good. Everything is good. Thank you.
Hello, this is Dr. Surya Tilagam, Assistant Professor of English, Wales University, Chennai. So far, I have done more than 20 courses, but this time I did 4 courses, and last time also 4. And for the consecutive 3 years, I've been getting this NPTEL star, and this time I've got NPTEL Motivated Learner and also Domain Star and Discipline Star as well. And actually, NPTEL is a very good platform wherein we get a chance to learn many courses across our discipline. That's the best thing. That is what I feel in recording NPTEL. Because if I belong to English discipline, so in college we can do only literature-related courses. But this NPTEL offers a scope for doing courses across disciplines. So whichever interest us, we can choose, like psychology or linguistics or even management studies or personality development. So we can make various disciplines. That's the best thing. Actually, since it's an online course, we get no, whenever no, it is we can do this course on our own pace, right? So whenever we find time, we listen to the lectures, and we get 1 week's time to do the assignments. And since we are working professionals, it's an advantage for us because we are friends together, apply for the same course, and we get reminded of completing the assignments. So we don't find it difficult, and we get another chance of motivating our students also. So we bring in the students to do more courses, and they are also doing. Okay, so it's a good thing. And apart from learning, this visiting IIT, that is another motivating factor for us. So every time we come here, this is an exciting experience for us, and the hospitality and the visit to the campus, because this is a rare chance we get to get into IIT. So that is another motivating fact. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you, NPTEL team.